Well, all of them, but Jonah, there's something special about her, and I think that she deserves a title as much as and Coach Shara, congratulations to her. Tinuruan niya po maayos si Jonah.
Did you feel na after your performance tonight, na-prove wrong mo yung mga bashers mo na dahil anak ka lang ng artista?
Yes. Well, after the bashing and stuff, I focused on the positive feedbacks, and that's why hindi ko na po masyadong napapansin yun. And I think po, hindi naman po masyadong hadlang ang mga bashers sa akin because marami po nagmamahal ko sa support sa akin.
If there's anything you want to tell Bamboo, ano yung gusto mo sabihin?
Well, here's a short message for him. I'm really thankful to have him as my coach. At marami po siya natulong sa akin, hindi lang po sa music, but also sa life na isang artist.
Curious lang dear, what's the special band you have with Miss Sharon Cuneta? Kasi pag sa stage, parang feeling si Sharon yung coach mo, parang palagi kayo nag-uusap.
Well, she was like, she was talking to me earlier. Sabi niya po na why not try acting as well because meron daw po akong face, ganon. And sabi ko po, yeah, why not give it a try po. Then she sabi niya po sa akin na may potential naman daw. Sa tubo ko daw ang mate. And sabi, naisip ko rin po, baka hindi ko po ituloy-tuloy yung buhay ko sa showbiz and not stop here.
And in general, how would you describe your journey in The Voice Studios?
It was amazing, and I've discovered a lot of teenage artists na napakalalim na po ng perspectives nila when it comes to music, and that's really amazing.
Congrats! Any
message to your fans who supported you?
Well, thank you so much sa mga sumuporta sa akin at sa mga walang sawang umiidolo kay Coach Bamboo. Dahil po sa inyo, mas na-boost po ang confidence namin dalawa. And kahit anong place po tayo ngayon, napakaswerte ko po dahil nandiyan kayo para sa amin. Maraming salamat.